If video feels like a struggle, it's because you're missing one key thing, an effortless system. Most people overthink, overcomplicate, and end up either never posting or feeling drained every time they do. Listen, I get it. I used to hit record and immediately start overthinking. Do I look right? Or did I say the right things the right way? Or should I redo it, right? Listen, I did all that stuff and I get it. But here's the deal. The problem is not you, it's your system. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make video feel simple, repeatable, and stress-free. So let's jump in. Let's get started, my friend. Listen, one of the biggest reasons people struggle with video is because they're just winging it. Just winging it. Just out there winging it. They press record and hope for the best, but then freeze up or ramble, right? And I've seen this happen even with my clients. They start strong, but about 2 minutes in, they're completely lost. And they don't know what to say next, and their video either drags along or it ends up getting deleted. So what's the fix? Here's the deal. Use a simple video framework. Think of it like this, all right? Write this down. First thing, start with the hook. Start with a strong opening that actually grabs attention. Second thing, add value. Get straight to the point, all right? And share your insight. Don't get straight to the point. And number 3, call to action. Tell people exactly what to do next, right? For example, let's say that you're a health coach, okay? So instead of saying, hey guys, I just wanted to pop on and talk about eating healthy, instead, start with a hook like this. All right, you ready? Check this out. Say, did you know that one tiny diet change can boost your energy by 80%? Boom, see? Now you got their attention, just like that. Now deliver your value and explain what that diet change is. And finally, wrap it up with a strong call to action. See, when you use this structure, you never run out of things to say. You never will, all right? And your videos stay focused and also they stay engaging. So let me know in the comments right now, have you ever felt like you were rambling on video? Just type that in the comments right now and listen, you're not alone, all right? You're not alone. Now I'm gonna ask you this, have you ever felt like videos taking up too much of your time? That's because you're trying to create and post one video at a time, which leads to burn out, my friend, right? The burnout city. See, I see this all the time. Coaches who get excited about video, they post for a week and then disappear for a month, right? They call it post and go. Why is this? Because creating daily is exhausting. It really is, my friend. So instead, do this. Batch your videos. And here's how to do this, all right? Write this down. Step 1, set aside one recording day. Just one to film 3 to 5 videos in one session, all right? That's the first thing you wanna do. Step number 2, use a very simple outline. So you know exactly what to say. So you're not rambling, right? And step 3, schedule your videos in advance so you don't have to think about them every single day. See, this method right here changed everything for me. It really did. See, instead of spending hours every day trying to figure out what to post, I record a few videos at once, then relax and chill out for the rest of the week, right? So here's a challenge for you. Pick one day this week and record 2 videos in one single session and see how much easier it makes things for you. Now, what's the biggest thing holding most people back from video? Put your answers below. It's perfectionism. It's perfectionism. See, they want the lighting to be perfect, the background to be flawless, and every word scripted. Yeah, they do, right? But here's the truth. Imperfect, consistent videos will always outperform perfect videos that never get posted. One of my clients, Shalania, really struggled with this. She really did. See, she'll record the same video about 10 times and never post it, right? Then I challenged her. I said, listen, I said, record once, post it without rewatching, and move on. And that one video led to 3 discovery calls in a week. And after following my system consistently, she now has a 6-figure business too. So think about the creators you watch. Do you care if the lighting is slightly off or if they stumble on a word? I stumble occasionally too, right? You watching me, right? No, you don't care. You don't care about what we're saying, right? So if you're waiting for everything to be perfect before you start, stop waiting. Just hit record, my friend, because you don't want to know why? The confidence comes after you take action. Time for some action, that's when the confidence comes, my friend. So let me know in the comments right now, what's the number one thing stopping you from posting? Put that in the comments right now because I really do want to help. Put that in the comments right now. Now see, making video simple comes down to having a system, batching your content, and letting go of perfection. And if you want a step-by-step way to get started, I got something really cool and awesome for you. Drop the word video below right now in the comments, and I'll send you my free training tutorial to help you get started. Inside, I'll walk you through exactly how to create effortless videos that attract clients and grow your busyness, my friend. So again, comment the word video right now, not later, but right now. Comment the word video now, and I'll send it right over. And if you enjoyed this, my friend, and you want more tips like this, my friend, follow me on this channel as well. And if you're watching this on, YouTube or other social media platforms, hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, and do all the good stuff you need to do there. And share this with others as well. Don't keep all this wealth to yourself. Hit that share button as well, my friend, because the more people that see this, the more folks that can get help, my friend, and it benefits all of us, right? So go ahead, hit that share button as well. And also comment below, what's the biggest takeaway you got from this as well? All right, so, but again, you want the training, comment the word video, or it might be a link somewhere in the description below. I'm not sure, but if you comment the word video, you will get access to the training, my friends. So do that, and I will see you on the next video. Peace and God bless.